downstairs office nearly done, flooring's been put down, but we needed to keep as much office space as possible and have storage and have offices. So we've gone for downstairs and upstairs. Harry from Garage Style is going to come in, so he'll do one of his videos before and after, so that'll be good. But it is good, it's one of the best ones we've ever done. I think this was like £100,000 when it was built, plus the VAT. This is interesting. Third Defender maybe we ever built. Happy New Year guys, and welcome back to Deranged and back to the new workshop. Just really going to give you an update on what we've done since the last vlog. We went, I think the last vlog was with the G-Wagon. Before that was about our move and the new premises and what we've been doing. Now we're pretty much there. We've got the flooring left to do, windows in the offices and doors. The cladding came, so we finished that. And we've painted the walls, the ones we're going to do. We're leaving that exposed, as I think I said before, so exposed OSB. And yeah, it's just go over what we've done. We've finished the kitchen pretty much. That all looks good. And storage is all done, storage area all done, all the lighting up, so we've put extra lighting up. And downstairs office nearly done, flooring's been put down. Alex is sorting out his bits and bobs. So we've got a desk in here. It's a bit cosy. We knew that was going to be the case. We didn't want to take, it's a bit of a, you know, I suppose catch-22, to have a bigger office and then you're going to take up workshop space. We haven't got loads of inside space here. Like I said before, we've got loads of outside space, which is great, especially with all the trucks. But we needed to keep as much office space as possible and have storage and have offices. So we've gone for downstairs and upstairs. So mine's going to be upstairs. I'm having carpet, so that hasn't come yet. But we've put the flooring down, which is nice. Desk fit. Shree's going to be here. See, Alex is there. TV's up, heating's in, but we've got no windows or doors, so yeah. But we'll get there. They're coming next week, I think. A week after, the windows will be here. We're doing be quite nice. I'll do another vlog when we're all totally finished and the flooring's down. Harry from Garage Style is going to come in, so he'll do one of his videos before and after, so that'll be good. But yeah, we're going to have we've got sort of like the crystal style windows, so black frames with a few lights. It'll look quite cool, industrial look, going for the whole industrial finish. My office you can't see, but it's exactly the same as that, but just no flooring yet. So when the carpet's done, we'll do another video and show you that all finished. Kitchen, the boys are in there having their lunch now, but we'll flip over to a bit of B-roll and you can have a look in there and see what it's all about, what we've done, but it looks good. That's it really. What jobs have we got in? X-Class is still here, that's for sale. I can't believe that hasn't sold. It's such a nice truck. I think I'd have it myself, but it's too much money for me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Got so many cars. But it is good, it's one of the best ones we've ever done. I think this was like £100,000 when it was built, plus the VAT. And now it's 75 grand, no VAT, so it's a good deal really. It's only done 12,000 miles, full interior. Have a look at that. Full dash, Starlight headlining, Recaro seats. It's got the air suspension, deployable steps, light bar, tonneau cover, carpet load liner. Obviously the wide arches, wheels, got the brake upgrade, so it's got in orange, looks nice, with Deranged embossed in there. Yeah, it's a nice truck. This bumper was about £3,000 just alone. Upgrade bumper, isn't it? From German company. We just ordered it and we didn't have that made. But it's a lovely bumper, it finishes it off really nicely. So yeah, there's that. Another X-Class for sale, finished in matte. Yeah, it's matte metallic. Yeah, it's a matte metallic wrap. Standard interior, but full leather. That's nice. This is going out today, that's a couple of years old, we've just done a few extra bits and that's going out. This is interesting. This Defender was probably third Defender maybe we ever built. And it was a hard top, standard hard top, and it was totally, I mean, it's an old thing. I mean, we've probably done it about maybe 7 years ago when we rebuilt it. We stripped it down and we turned it into SVX style. So if you know what SVX is, you'll know, the cage is not on it in a minute, but it comes with a roll cage and canvas roof, spare wheel in the back. And we wanted to go for that SVX style, but with our own twist on it. So all of the bits that would have been silver on the SVX, like the cage and everything, all went bronze. Wheels are bronze. I think they're wheel off an Evoque. So we had hub adapters made, so changed the PCD. So the Evoque wheels finished them in bronze with a BF Goodrich. Side steps. Basically, we've just got it. This is the cage here, you can see the cage. So that was in bronze. 7 years down the line and it's just looking tired really. It's been not used loads and left over the winter. It was all wet inside. They've left the roof off. So yeah, they left the roof off with a cover over it. Obviously it's got water in there. It's all got damp. The seats have been destroyed. So we're going to totally redo it. The seats have all come out. We're going to totally redo the seats for them, re-leather them. We're going to re-powder coat the cage. So that will be re-powder coated, new side steps, full polish, and just really a general tidy up really, and then hand it back to the customer and it's like a nice refresh. So yeah, it's interesting because that's one of the first ones we ever done. Nice to have it back and do some bits.
I'm right here.
That's it really, get a good view of what we've done. Like I said, I'm liking it now. So we painted the office, that was all plywood. We've painted that black, painted this side wall black. Yeah, looks cool. So that's it really. Another thing I want to talk about, I'm going to do another video for this. I was going to do it in this video, but I haven't got the cars here today, I've only got one. Daily cars. Now, if you're like me and you're a petrol head, you want a daily to be comfortable, you want it to be fast. Petrol for me, don't like diesels. Everything I've bought now is petrol. I think they're going to phase diesels out, so unless you're going electric, I'm not ready for that yet at all. So keeping it petrol, bit of speed. I've been driving for the last probably 4 months now. I've been driving an M5 competition. I fell in love with it. I never liked BMWs, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, the old M3s, I like them, old BMWs, but more modern stuff, not interested. And yeah, I took one part exchange and I started driving it, and I can't tell anyone, everyone who asks me, what's that like? I say it's absolutely brilliant. But, 4 or 5 months gone down the line, I thought, oh, what else could I get? And someone said to me, why don't you try Turbo S, 992 Turbo S, epic car. And so recently got one of those, bought it trade, bought it from Ashgood, Mike at Ashgood's, a friend of mine. He had it come in, so I thought, why not, give it a go. I've driven it a little bit, and the question is it better than the M5 competition? That's what I'm going to answer in another video. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm going to have a chat about that. I'll get the two cars alongside each other. I'm going to talk about, is the BMW at 60 grand, is the Porsche at 170 grand, 180 grand, is that much better? Put in the comments what you think, if you've driven both, or if you know what you think of the look of them. But yeah, I'm going to do another video on that. I'm going to do drive them both, I'm going to talk about them and find out what I think. That's it. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.